On Friday, July 26, the Karnataka cabinet approved the renaming of Ramanagara district to Bengaluru South District. This decision is aimed at leveraging the brand value of Bengaluru and reflects the requests of local residents and legislators. Law Minister HK Patil confirmed that the renaming will not affect the district's existing taluks and that the Revenue Department will start the process for officially notifying the name change. Ramanagara district was created in August 2007 under the leadership of JDS leader and current Union Minister HD Kumaraswamy, who has a strong political connection to the area. Kumaraswamy had previously expressed significant opposition to the renaming proposal, even threatening to go on a fast unto death if it proceeded. Additionally, the cabinet on 26 July has approved developmental activities including the establishment of 15 new hostels.
One of the important decisions is that Ramanagara district will be named as Bengaluru South District henceforth. That is one major. And the second major is about some developmental activities. We have decided to take up 15 hostels with about 105 crores of money.